This is Mike Mozart at JeepersMedia, bringing you the coolest products of yesterday and today. And what's that? It's the creepy baby laugh slot that I showed you last week. Well, guess what? The same company, Remco, made another laughing doll at the same time, and it's a clown. I'm gonna play this clown doll for you. And after you hear it, you've got to give it a name. Put in the comments section a great name for this doll. It's so creepy and scary. Can you believe they actually made this toy? I mean, really? What were they thinking? What's this? What's she doing? What's she doing? No! No!